if you want to count the rows, how many rows are there from here to there, so what would you do? You can calculate them from here, that here are 13, because we don't want to calculate them as well. Okay, so for doing that, what would you do? That's why we are gonna learn four powerful formulas: row, rows, column, and columns. What does row formula do? For doing that, I'm first starting from here and then write row formula, and then again close the bracket without doing anything, hit enter button. It is saying that 6 is the row over here, but why? Because this is the 6th row. Okay, again if I use this formula over here, so this is the 12th row. Okay, close the bracket and then hit enter. So like this way you can use this formula. So if we use here, close the bracket, so if we use here, row formula, close the bracket and hit enter, it is 15th row. So like this way. But what does rows formula do? It counts the rows, as I have already told you. Press is equal to and write rows formula, press tab button, and then select the range from you want to calculate the rows, like I have selected, and then hit enter. It is saying that 11 rows are there, but why? If I count from here, so it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 rows are there. But again, if I do this formula second time on the another example, so press the tab button for getting that, and then select 3 rows and then press enter. Now you can see 3 rows were there. But column formula works the same way as row formula worked. Like write column formula and then close the bracket, hit enter. It will tell us that which is formula in which our cursor would be. It is the 4th column, it is the D column. Like if I use this column formula over here, so again close the bracket and hit enter, it is the 11th column over here. So like this way it works. Columns formula again works like the rows formula worked. Press tab button and then select your columns or data and then hit enter. It is saying that your data or your selection had 6 columns. Like if you want to calculate 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, again if I click on it, you'll see F12. This is the last column. Okay, so like this way we can use the rows and columns formula in our data, where we want to calculate or know which is this row or which is this column, or want to calculate the rows or columns in our specific data. So it helps very specific, so it works very powerful in our work. So if you want to learn more formulas, visit my channel. There is the playlist in which you can learn formulas step by step and basic to advanced, and also subscribe the channel for more information from the MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, and all essential skills for MS Office. So thank you to all of you for watching this video. Every video is in English. Don't worry, if you are learning English, it will help you a lot, because listening is the powerful thing for